Like many students of color at Penn, I grew up never seeing myself in school curriculums. As a teenager, I aspired to be a novelist, but I never questioned that I was writing only white characters and never myself. It wasn't until, and this didn't dawn upon me until my first Asian American Studies class at Penn, which was a course on public memory and Asian American history. In this class, I studied art museums and archives documenting the trauma of diaspora and heterogeneous identity. It felt very therapeutic. For the first time, I began to understand that my body was also part of a larger history, and that the way we remember the history shapes our belongings, hopes, and possibilities as people of color. Asian American and other minority and ethnic studies programs provide not only the intellectual but the socio emotional space for students to learn knowledge that have been pushed to the periphery. Often, ethnic studies is paid the least institutional attention given the least number of tenured faculty and resources, which is why student activism has always been at the core. If Penn Arts and Sciences truly believes in its power, it must continue to build spaces for minoritarian knowledges and vulnerable identities. Thanks to ethnic studies, I know what it feels like to see myself now. Thank you.